Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enable DRM on Google Chrome using your mobile device. This will allow you to play protected content like streaming movies and shows without issues. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone and make sure it's updated to the latest version. If you're not sure, simply head to the Play Store or App Store and check for updates once updated. Open Chrome and tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings, scroll down until you find Site Settings and tap on it inside. Site Settings, look for the section labeled Content. Here you'll see different options related to what websites can display. Next, tap on Protected Content. This is where you can control DRM settings by default. It may be off or restricted to improve playback. Simply switch the toggle to allow protected content. This ensures Chrome can play DRM protected media smoothly on your device. And that's it, DRM is now enabled on Chrome for mobile, so you won't run into issues when streaming or viewing secure media. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy guides and tips.